Okay, so I have my NYX Matte Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep Tan, and then just a little brush. And I'm going to just pat that on the edges. So a little close up, you can see. So that is pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair down so it can kind of cure. Hey guys, welcome back. So now that I have my hair wrapped down and it's set for a while, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how to style my hair. So as y'all can see, it is laying down very nicely. What I usually do at this point is I can either leave it like this, where you can kind of see like the hair is kind of laid down on its own just from being wrapped down. I kind of like this look like certain times. For the most part, I like this like whenever I want to keep it looking more natural. So like whenever I'm going to work or just, you know, hanging out around the house or anything like that, I usually just keep it like this. I will do like baby hairs every now and then. For the most part, I only do it like if I'm going out or if I'm like I want to get dressed up or I want to actually look like my hair is done, you know, like extra. That's normally when I would do the baby hair, but I'm going to show y'all how I do my baby hair. And it's not really like the baby hair, it's more like the ridges because I'm going to stop it. Stop it. Alright, so hair is down. I'm going to go ahead and kind of brush it, comb it back a little bit more. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit better so you can see me do my hair a little bit better, okay? Alright, so I have combed down like the little strands of hair that I'm going to pretty much use for making my little baby hair ridges or whatever. So I have a toothbrush that I use strictly for hair, and then I am going to use just some spray water, and then I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue spray as well. So what I always do first is I take my brush and then I take my water and I just kind of wet it. And then you kind of just like however you like your baby hair to kind of look, you just pretty much comb it in that direction. So since my part is right here, I kind of like start my baby hair right here. And so I get how I am like pretty much happy with it. So now to go ahead and set them in place, I'm going to take my Got To Be Glue spray and I'm going to spray the brush. Now I'm going to go right over that same area how I just did those. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on this side. I'm going to do the same thing I did on this side. You in my video? You in my video? Hi, this is Newman, everyone. This is my nephew. Your first YouTube video. How does it feel? You don't care, you're just sleepy, huh? The wetter your brush, the easier it is to form the baby hair. That's right. Now that that's done, take your scarf and you want to just kind of, not tight, but just loose enough to where it can dry like that. Okay, and we are going to let that sit for like 5-10 minutes and then I will be back. I'm just going to show y'all how the locking cap has like actually helped the frontal look a little bit more realistic as far as when you're parting it. But as you can see, this is my normal part that I usually do, and you can pretty much part this anywhere and it looks like really natural. So as you can see, like I definitely like this method of doing the frontal. What I will say is that it takes time. Like it really takes time. You're gonna have to have some time to actually sit there and do this method, because it takes forever for the hair gel to dry on the stocking cap, and then you got to do the spray, and then you got to dry it again, and then you got to wait for the actual hair glue to dry. So it takes probably about 45 minutes to do this process at least. So definitely do not rush. I did rush the first time I did it, and it looked horrible. So definitely take your time. I'm not a professional. I'm not perfect at this. I am learning just like everybody else is. So I hope my video did find somebody and it was helpful to someone. If you did try the method after watching my video, please give me a little comment just to let me know if this video was helpful or not. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how I apply my wig, using the Bold Hold Extreme Cream and as well as the wig cap method. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you are willing to be a nice little subscriber of mine and want to see what other videos I have coming up. Thank you all for watching. I hope y'all have a blessed day.